In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page with a password in 2025. First, let's start by opening your Notion app. Navigating through Notion can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, given its myriad of features and options. But today, I'll guide you through a simple process to enhance the privacy of your notes and documents. So the first thing you'll want to do, once you have Notion open, is to locate the Settings option. Typically, you'll find this in the upper right-hand corner of the application window. Click on it, and this will open up a menu where you can manage various settings related to your Notion account and workspace. We're focusing on refining the security of a specific page today, ensuring that only you or anyone with the password can access it. After you've clicked into your settings, the next step is to navigate to the Test Account section. While your account name will obviously be different, this is where you'll manage your user-specific options. It's where you have control over personal preferences and security measures such as passwords. Selecting your account name will direct you to a personalized settings area. Think of it as getting into the driver's seat of your Notion experience, nicely tailored to your needs. Now, look for the option labeled Add Password. Clicking on it will bring up prompts to set a new password. This step is crucial as it's about creating a barrier to protect sensitive information stored on your page. When you click this, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the password you desire. Creating a strong, memorable password is essential here. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, ensuring it's something robust that isn't easily guessable. Once you've keyed in the password, you'll be directed to confirm this selection by clicking on Set a Password. This final click will lock your Notion page, ensuring its privacy. When you're satisfied with your choice of password, double-check to confirm that everything is saved correctly. A secured Notion page can significantly enhance your peace of mind, knowing that access is restricted according to your specific settings. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added an extra layer of security to your Notion page. Remember that whenever you or someone else needs to view this page in the future, this password will be necessary, so keep it safe and secure. We hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful for all your organizational needs. If you have further questions or require assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.